Oops, that's too short. Sadie's birthday. Other than her bowls, which she can't open up because she will hurt them. Okay, Sadie, get them. Get them, all of them. Open them. Open them all up. Sadie 7. Don't tear up the blanket, just. Open them. Open them. Get them out there. What is that? What's that? Maybe able to see it a little better now. Is that a kitty? Is that a kitty? Does it squeak? I bet it does somewhere in there. You got more? And open the rest. Yay, pay dirt! Open up some more. Go get the others. Go open. She says, no, this is new. You understand, I have to chew it. Okay. That's good. That's good. Give. Open some more. Open more. Open more. What is that? That's from Zoe and Kayla. She says it's open, but I just have to keep tearing the paper out. She's got it fully unwrapped. She's still just eating the paper. What is that? What's that? She says, no, I need more paper, Mom. What is that? What is that thing? She looks for a squeaker. Where's the squeaker? I don't like that. I was like, go open more. No, leave the kitty. Go open more. Go open more. Because I'm too crazy about the dolphin. You got your rear end. Watch you turn around and show everybody. Go get it. Open it. Oh, she doesn't. Sadie, come back here and be the birthday girl. Open that. Open that one. That one wasn't easy to open. That's a Kong Frisbee. She will spit it away probably as soon as it's open. That's not as much fun. That's not as much fun. What is that? Can you pull out a package? Pull out a package. Pull it. Pull out a package. Get it. You can't hurt it by chewing on it. Go on. Pull it out. Eat the cardboard, that's right. Pull it off. There you go, you got it. She'd rather have a cardboard. There's my present, it's the cardboard. What's that? What is it? What is that thing? Where is it, Mom? I don't see it. It's kind of this boingy thing here. Get the Frisbee. She goes back to the cardboard. Yummy, Frisbee. We're going to play this in the dog park today. But you got another one. Go get that. One. What is that? She's got to unwrap, but she just goes for the wrapping paper. What is that? So I gotta open it, Mom. Find the squeaky. There's the squeaky. There we go. Now look at, looky. Here's the other things. Oh, here it is. Which one do you like best? Which one do you like best? Which one do you like best? Kitty or the hippo? Or, you don't know it, but the dolphin squeaks. Which one do you like best? I think she likes the cat best. There's spoiled Sadie's birthday. February 6th, 2012.